In today's video, I'll show you how to unlink OneDrive on Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 automatically syncs your files, folders, and pictures to OneDrive. While this can be useful for backups, it isn't always what everyone wants. Constant background syncing can use your internet bandwidth, reduce battery life on laptops, and sometimes slow things down. Another common issue is when your OneDrive storage becomes full. This can prevent new files from syncing and may even cause problems saving documents or taking screenshots that are configured to save to OneDrive. If you don't want your files synced to the cloud, unlinking OneDrive is a simple solution. So, let's get started. First, click the OneDrive icon on the right side of the taskbar. Then click the Settings gear icon and then select Settings. In the OneDrive Settings window, go to Sync and Backup from the left-hand menu. Then, here, if Save Photos and Videos from Devices is turned on, switch it off. Next, turn off Save Screenshots I Capture to OneDrive. After that, click Manage Backup and disable all the backup options listed there. Once you've done that, go to the Account tab and click Unlink this PC. A confirmation window will appear. Click the Unlink Account button to confirm. OneDrive will now be disconnected from your computer. To verify it, click the OneDrive icon on the taskbar. You'll see that OneDrive is no longer connected, and you'll have the option to sign in again whenever you want. And that's how you can easily unlink OneDrive from your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.